Hello, this is Eddie. So today I'm gonna make a brief introduction of my mini project number 2. So I will focus on for this project I will focus on the Battle of the Radcliffes. Um, we have read the story, but we mainly focus on the battle part. We didn't really focus on other strategies used by the other people like before um, the battle. So my main character here will be Huang Gai. So this is Huang Gai, and he will be my protagonist. He was an old but very famous general of Jiangdong, and Jiangdong later became Wu, which was controlled by Sun Quan and then his strategist Zhou Yu. So for Huang Gai, he was a hero of the Battle of Radcliffes. Since we only focus on the war part, we didn't really talk about the strategy he used with Zhou Yu, which basically helped them to win the war. So I will describe one of the 36 stratagems he used with Zhou Yu, and he was actually famous for using one of the trick, the strategy before the battle and help Zhou Yu to win the war. So here, my focus number 1 is like a story you didn't read, as I said. There are multiple strategies used before and during the Battle of Radcliffes. So, as we learned from previous projects, some other students did that on Zhuge Liang, and those, he borrowed arrows, and also for Cao Cao, he said he connect all his boats with chains, and also Zhou Yu set those on fire. These are all strategies used just for a single battle of Radcliffe. And this is why it is so famous and interesting for the Battle of Radcliffe. So I will focus on a very interesting strategy used by Zhou Yu and Huang Gai, which essentially made sure that the plan will carry out on the battle day. It's called deceiving the enemy by torturing one's own man. So here is Zhou Yu, and then here's like a little picture describing what the strategy is. It's basically Huang Gai volunteered to be flogged by Zhou Yu during a meeting with other generals, so that everyone believed that he wanted to kind of betray Zhou Yu, betray Jiangdong. And so he tricked. So later, after that, he ran to Cao Cao and basically said, "I want to surrender. I'll give you whatever planned by Zhou Yu, and I'll tell you everything." And then, so which essentially tricked Cao Cao, and Cao Cao believed in him. But actually, Huang Gai was loyal, and he used that trick to kind of set Cao Cao's boats on fire, which helped Zhou Yu to win the war. My focus number 2 is the war part. So my story will begin with the little conflict between Zhou Yu and Huang Gai, and then end with the defeat of Cao Cao. So I will describe another 2 strategies used by Cao Cao and Zhou Yu. Those are, so for Cao Cao, he connected his boat with chains, and then Zhou Yu defeated Cao Cao by using fire. I will focus on the bravery of Huang Gai, and then how excited it was for Zhou Yu and Liu Bei to win a battle with smaller armies, since they had like less men, and to win like a battle against like a strong enemy. Cao Cao was I think it was very exciting. About my project, so I will focus on Jiangdong side of the war, since my protagonist is Huang Gai, and then it's gonna be a first person like narrative story, and so I will focus on several strategies used by both sides during the Battle of Radcliffe. So because I think the strategies were what actually made the story interesting. So I will rewrite these strategies in the point of view of Huang Gai, since as I said, it's gonna be first personal narrative. So I will pretend to be Huang Gai. So I will rewrite these strategies, rewrite those stories of the Battle of Red Cliff. So here's one thing I'm thinking. I haven't decided yet the format of my project. So it's either gonna be a novel. So as I said, like I will pretend to be Huang Gai and write all those what he saw, like what he experienced. Or I can make like a little video. So especially for the war parts, it's so hard to write about wars. So maybe like a video will help. So I'll either like maybe like using these games to record the games, and then I will talk about it. So to kind of describe, to kind of show the war. But it could be really difficult, or maybe I can use like movies, some movie scenes to show the war. But I'm not very good at making videos. So maybe I'll do a combination of both. So I will write some part of the story, maybe the strategies part I will write, and then for the war part, I will show you. I will play some videos so you can see like the war, so it's easier for you to visualize it. So yeah, these are my plans. I haven't decided what my the final the format of my project will be, but these are my thoughts. And thank you for watching. I hope you could also give me some suggestions on how I can improve my project. Thank you.